Hello guys, this is Amit Rane. We are preparing this video for traders looking for opportunity and ready to hold the position for 1 month. In last 3 months, there have been many updates in Panchang. We shall prepare video for all the updates done in Panchang in a week or so. In this video, we will discuss about the updates of the monthly time frame which we have included recently. This option facilitates you to find opportunity in trading on monthly basis. So simply you have to select monthly over here. See, you can see over here there was daily and weekly. Now monthly is also included. So you have to just click on monthly. This is step 1. Step 2, set scan live over here. Scan live. Okay. Once you set scan live, remember these steps you have to do after 5 p.m. of the first day of every month. Okay, whatever procedure I am saying you have to do after 5 p.m. of first day of every month. Okay, and then you have to just press scan live. Okay, here you have to set it to the first stock of your bucket. That means here it is ACC, so set it to ACC, or whichever is in your basket you can set. Here I have ACC as a first stock. Okay, and then I'll just click scan. This system will automatically find opportunity for you on monthly basis. The report will be generated to the right side. You can see over here it's automatically scanning each and every stock. It will do calculation. Amara Battery, Ambuja Cement, Apollo Hospital. So you need to do anything. The system is completely automatic. And the report will be generated to the right side. You can see over here. We will discuss of how to read this report and how to grab the opportunity. We will discuss even that. So I have already scanned the data. So I already have the report. So we will discuss on this. This is the scanned report for September month. Okay. So since we are going to discuss about grabbing the opportunity on buying side, so we will see which opportunity comes in our list first. Apollo Hospital is having 6.15%. So wherever it is on positive side, that is going to be the buying side opportunity. So Apollo Hospital was 6.51. So what are the sets of rules? First we will discuss the rules to consider on buying side. First day on daily chart of the month should be a strong solid candle with 80% body and 20% wick. Okay, or even if it is 100% solid, good, it should be more of a solid body. Low of the first candle should be in third, fourth or fifth zone. Either of these zones, the low of the first candle of the first day should be in these zones. The red color resistance should not be there in the immediate zone with respect to entry zone. We will discuss about these as we discuss about each. Okay, so first opportunity is there in Apollo Hospital. We'll come to Apollo Hospital chart. Okay, so Apollo Hospital September 1. Okay, you can see in the data window, this is first solid candle. I'll take the crosshair. You can see this is the first day of September month and it was a solid candle. As per our rule, first candle on the month should be a strong solid candle. So it was a strong solid candle. Okay, low of the first candle should be in third, fourth or fifth zone. Okay, so we will see where is the low of this candle. Apollo Hospital. So what you have to do, you have to go to Panchang, you have to type Apollo Hospital over here. and the date you have to set over here is 1st or 2nd of September. Okay, so what was the low? Let me find it again. 1626.10, 1626.10, that means fifth zone. Okay, so that means it has qualified first, second rule as well. The red color resistance should not be there in the immediate zone with respect to your entry zone. Our entry zone was fifth zone, so there should be no red color in sixth zone. You can see the red color resistance is in seventh zone, so that's okay, but it should not be there in the immediate. For example, if our low is in sixth zone, it should not be, the red color resistance should not be in the sixth zone. If it is in seventh zone, eighth zone, it's okay, but it should not be in the immediate zone. Okay, so this was the third rule. It has qualified even the third rule. Stop loss should be placed in the immediate lower zone with respect to your entry zone. So our entry zone was basically fifth zone, so your stop loss should be at fourth zone, that is 1551.10 should be your stop loss. Target should be 8th zone, 10th zone, or you can hold it to the last day of the month. So target can be, you can take the opportunity till 782, 1897, or you can hold it till the last day of the month. Okay, so what I'll do here, since there is a solid candle and all other rules it has qualified, so I'll immediately take the entry the very next day. At the opening only I'll take the entry, and I'll hold till the end of the month, or as per my requirement, 8th zone, 10th zone, or till end of the day. Okay, so okay, this is this has given the target, it didn't hit the stop loss. We will see what is the next opportunity. Auropharma 1.84. okay, we'll go to Auropharma. Rule number 1, it should be a solid strong candle. So it is not a solid strong candle because I had already said that 80% should be body. So if you see over here, this first candle of the month of September, Auropharma, first candle was not a solid candle, so I won't take entry in this. Okay, in Auropharma. Next, after Auropharma, Biocon, but the percentage rise is very small, so I won't take opportunity in this since it's just 0.84. Then is CESC. Okay, CESC, I'll go to CESC. So this is the first candle, it's 80% body, is its body is 80% solid body, so I'll take an approach. Now second is, what is the low? Low is 1596. I'll go to CSC and I'll see whether where is the low, in which zone is the low line. What is the low? Again I'll see, that is 596.25, 596.25, that is fifth zone, so it is even qualified the second. The red color resistance should not be in the immediate zone, so if we see, our entry zone was fifth and the red color zone resistance zone is in seventh, so this has even qualified the third point. Stop loss, as I've said, since our entry zone was fifth, you have to place it in fourth, then your target could be 8th zone, 10th zone, or you can hold it till the end of the month. Okay, so your target, you can hold it till the end of the month, or you can book your profit at 8 or 10 zone. Next, after CESC, Cipla 5.82. I'll go to Cipla. Okay, so it is a solid candle. If you can see, first day candle is a solid candle. I'll consider this. So I'll check the low now. What is the low? Low 711.25. I'll go to Panchang, Cipla. Okay, So what is the low over here? Low is 711.25, 711. So that is fifth zone. So even this has qualified fifth zone. Then the red color resistance, since there is no red color where it is, there is this is the pattern formed first time, so there is no red color, so no problem, you can take the entry. Stop loss should be placed as per our rule. You have to place the stop loss in fourth zone, and then you can travel till 8th or 10th zone, or you can hold it till the end of the day. So you can see Cipla has gone in the upside only. So this way you have to, there are n number of stocks to discuss, and the list is very long. So this is the right time, since it is just a start of October. What you can do, you can cross check for this month by reading Panchang. You can find trading opportunity in this month. So best of luck, and if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section, or else you can even directly contact me. Thanks a lot. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.